Yes, hello. I would like to say a hi to you once again, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I'm called Nwarinda Justus, and I do work with Super Life World Company, and I'm the CEO of the Super Legacy team worldwide. Yeah, I'm really very glad that I'm going to be taking you into our second part that we call the wealth part. And I believe that you understood the product part or the first part of our company of Super Life. And so I left a question hanging on your mind, asking yourself, how can you really get this product of STC30, and how can it really possibly do all such things of buying you a house, keeping you healthy, making you the first millionaire in your family, buying you a car. So this is what I'm actually going to be showing you, and you know how really the company of Super Life works. So first of all, we do have what we call dreams, because every person in this world will live by dreaming. Because we have what we call, before I even go further about the dreams, you might be having a dream of owning apartments, a dream of owning private jets. But again, there are some dreams that we call the common dreams of every person wanting to buy a very good house, owning a very good car, moving to different countries, not just going there to work, but also going to there for adventure, to know what's actually happening in those countries. So those are what we call the common dreams. But in the whole world, there are few that fulfill those dreams, not because they don't want to fulfill their dreams, but because some of them, you never know, they never got the opportunities, or sometimes they got the opportunities and they rejected the opportunities. So I believe that for you, when you see this opportunity, you are going to take it as a golden opportunity. And I say again that your life won't remain the same. So we do have different dreams. Also think about your dreams, think about what you want, despite of you not having money, despite of you not having a good job or what, but think about what you really want, and know that what in your life, what do you really want. Then after you thinking about that, what I'm trying to show you is that have a clear picture of your future, what you really want. Then after that, thinking about that, what is your plan for you to achieve your dreams? What have you been planning for you to achieve your dreams? You might find that it has been really very difficult for you to plan for something, or you don't have any opportunity that can help you fulfill all your dreams. But again, here comes an opportunity that is going to help you fulfill your dreams within the shortest period of time. And that's why we say an opportunity of a lifetime, live your dreams soonest. So you aren't the only one going to benefit from this company or from this opportunity of Super Life, but many of your people are going to benefit from it. Your children and also your grandchildren are also going to benefit from this company of Super Life. So let me show you the Super Life compensation plan. Why Super Life? First of all, affordability. Our company is affordable, meaning that for you to start up or to work with Super Life World Company, you need an investment, but that investment is limited, and so you are going to be earning through a lot of money through that limited capital that you're going to start up with. Then also we have the instant and daily payment. Our company pays instantly and daily. Nothing that they do pay us per month or per week. They pay us instantly and daily. As long as money is on your account, you can withdraw it anywhere, from anywhere, anytime that you want to withdraw your money. Then no monthly quotas. They won't charge you any monthly quotas, maybe like rent or what. They won't charge you such. Then one account system. For you to get a lot of money, only one account system is enough for you to own each and everything that you really wanted in life. You might find other businesses or other businesses when you need a variety of accounts for you to make or to max out. But again, for our company of Super Life, only one account system is enough. Then lastly, we have that time and financial freedom. Our company is going to offer you time and financial freedom. Who is a person who has time freedom, and who is a person who does have time freedom? A person who is under as in who is working under someone. Let's say you're having a boss, and if you get maybe a funeral, or you need to go to a certain wedding, you need to first of all ask for permission from your boss. So meaning that your boss can either allow you to go there, or sometimes not even allow you, meaning that you don't have time freedom, because you can't do something you want in a time that you wanted it. So that means you don't have time freedom, you as a person. But again, with our business, it's going to give you time freedom. And again, what's financial freedom? Let's say financial freedom, you might be like wanting a car of or owning a car of $50,000, but again you end up owning a car of $5,000. It means that you've owned a car that you can afford, not a car that you wanted. That meaning our company is going to be paying you a lot of money that will enable you purchase what you want, not just what you can afford. So meaning that it's going to be giving you, or it's going to be paying you a lot of money. So in Superlife we have 3 ways of joining, or we have 3 packages. And first of all, we have the star package. The star package, you join with $140, and then you get 2 boxes of STC30. But again, on those 2 boxes of STC30, you're also going to be given an account system on that. Again, on those 2 boxes of STC30, you're going to be given an account system on that. Then also we have the second package that we call the Supreme Plus package. That one you join with $640, and there you get 10 boxes of STC30. These products can be delivered wherever you are, in any country, in any place. They can be delivered to you. Then also we have the last package that we call the super package. That one you join with $1,300, then you get 22 boxes of STC30. But remember, on this amount you're only going to invest once and for a lifetime. There's nothing like you're going to keep on investing the money or what. And these products you've purchased, they are for your own use, you as a person. So they aren't like maybe that you're trying to retail them and you want, as in you're trying to wholesale them and you want to sell them to other people. No, it's for you as a person. They are for your own use. Then you're also on top of that, you're also given an account system that is going to enable you make a lot of money through it. So in Superlife we have 6 ways of earning. And first of all, we have the direct referral bonus. Second, double development bonus. Third, we have the key-in bonus, roll-up bonus, and the unlevel bonus. So those are the ways of earning in Superlife. And so this is a sample of an account system that you will get from Superlife. For example, you see that account, it's in somebody's name. So meaning that you as a person, as you join Superlife, you're also going to get an account system that is 100% in your names, or 100% in your own details. So let me be explaining to you how really you can earn through these ways of earning, and how you can really earn through these packages. So it's the next thing. When I talk about a star, it means that you've joined with $140. So if you've joined with $140, remember that you are given 2 boxes of STC30. Then after you being given 2 boxes of STC30, the company gives you an account system, and it says that for you to become rich, for you to make a lot of money through this company of Superlife, you are only and only supposed to refer to people. Among all the people you know, among all the connections you have, among all the relatives you have, only and only refer to people. So that one person is put on your left and another person is put on your right, because your account is divided into 2, a left and a right. So when you refer a person, let's say that you've referred Ruth. When you refer Ruth, the company is going to give you $30 as your direct referral bonus. And again, when you refer Alex, the company is going to give you another $30 as your direct referral bonus. Meaning that on just 2 people, you've made $60 as your direct. But imagine you just invested $140 and now you're making that amount of money. And yet you even got 2 products of STC30, meaning that you've even cured from different diseases, or your mom or any relative of yours has been saved from that disease that was disturbing him or her. Then let's say you have a third person. You might say that for me, I have a third person, what can I do? Because the system is divided into 2, left and right. So where can I put my third person? That third person, let's call that third person Peter. So if you bring a third person, instead that third person will be put under Alex, because Alex has a space on his arms, because since your system is divided into 2, left and right, and Alex is put on your left and right, then that third person will be put on one arm of Alex, let's say on his left or right, one of the 2. So but that third person you've brought, if they put that person under Alex, the $30 will come back again to you, and that $30 we call it the spillover money. So that's money that you've you've got from that person, it's called the spillover amount. So, and that amount that you've got, the $30, it's because for you referred that person and it's given to you as your direct referral bonus. So meaning that on 3 people you've made $90 just on 3 people. Then again we go on the second bonus that we call the double development bonus. So how do we earn through the double development bonus? Here on this double development bonus, the company says that each pair that goes under your system, whether you're the one who has brought that person or you aren't the one, the company is going to be paying you $16 per pair. Imagine $16 per pair, just only and only one pair. So when we talk about $16 per pair, or when we talk about $16 per pair, it means that we are going to start making this money immediately or on exactly on those people that you brought. For example, you brought Alex and Ruth. So those are already 2 people, and they've already made up a pair. So this $16, you're going to begin making them on those exact 2 people. So meaning that on 2 people you've made the other $30 of referral on Alex, then another $30 of referral on Ruth, then also plus this $16. So meaning that on 2 people you've made $76. Imagine, just as in you've made 76, but when you just invested 140, and again you've received products and now you're making a lot of money through this company. So when I talk about referring, it doesn't mean that you're first of all supposed to get the 2 people and then you join the business. I mean, you're supposed to first of all join the business, and then we teach you how you can really approach those people and how you can refer those people. Then also Alex and Ruth, the people who Alex and Ruth, they're also going to refer to 2 people, because first of all they need to learn about the business and they study it. Then after them bringing the two people, that means altogether they have brought 4 people. So the money you're going to keep on making is this what we call the passive income, or that we call the sleeping money, or that's the reason that's why this bonus is called the sleeping bonus, the bonus where you can receive money without you doing anything. So now you're going to pair up $16. One person of Alex will pair with another one of Ruth, $16, and also another one $16. So on 3 people, as in on 4 people, those are 2 pairs, those are $32. But those $32 are just free, they are just passive. Then also even the 4, they are also going to bring 2. They bring 2. So for you, keep on pairing, $16 per pair, $16 per pair, $16 per pair. You keep on pairing like that. So your system is going to keep on growing like that. So it is going to come and you pair up 10 pairs. That's $160. But when you've not done anything, imagine. So your effort remains or stops on the 2 people that you brought, or the 2 people that you first referred. Then all this money that you'll keep on earning, you'll earn it when you've not done anything. And what's amazing is that you won't invest any single coin again in this business, but you will keep on getting that money. And yet when it's a very big amount of money. Then let's go on the second package. But before I go on the second package, I'm trying to clarify that a day is going to come and you pair up 10 pairs. A day is going to come and you pair up 100 pairs. That's how much. So you're going to keep on making that money, but passively. Then also we have the second pair, as in the second bonus, the second package that we call the Supreme package. On the Supreme package, that means you've joined with $640. But on $640, here you're given 10 boxes of STC30. So after you being given 10 boxes of STC30, you're also going to be given an account system that is going to be divided into 2, a left and a right. So here when you refer a person, let's say you've referred Ruth. When you refer Ruth, you're going to get $175 as your direct referral bonus. Imagine. Then also when you refer another person, you get another $175 as your direct referral bonus. So on 2 people, how much have you really made just on 2 people? You get, so on 2 people you've made $350 just on 2 people, and that was just as direct. But remember, you just invested $640, and you also got even 10 boxes of STC30, meaning that you've cured or you've healed more than more than 5 people, because if they've used 2 boxes, that means they are already 10 people. Then again, the money that you will keep on getting, or the money that we call the pairing money, here on this one, each pair that goes under your system, the company is going to be paying you $80. Imagine, just per pair. So if we talk about a pair, meaning that pairing, you begin on those exact 2 people that you brought, Alex and Ruth. So after you making the 175 and the 175, then you add up this one. That's how much when you add up also this 80, 175 plus 70, or 175 plus this 80, that's approximately $430. Imagine, on 2 people you've made $430. But how much did you invest? You invested $640. So you've brought 3/4 back of your money. Then what's amazing is that also these 2 people, they're also going to bring 2. They bring 2, they bring 2. So for you, the money you're going to keep on making is this pairing money. Each pair, one person of Alex will pair with another one of Ruth, $80, $80. Then they also bring 2. Those ones who have been brought by Alex and Ruth, they are also going to bring 2, or they are going to refer 2. You get, for you keep on pairing this amount, $80, $80, $80. So $80, that's what I'm trying to talk about. So then again, your system is going to keep on growing. That a day is going to come and you pair up 10 pairs. 10 times $80, that means a day you can make $800. I think you can see that amount of money. Then also, it is can come and you make, as in 100 pairs, you pair up 100 pairs. That's how much? That's $8,000. Just for you, your effort stopped on 2 people, and now you're making what we call the crazy money. And so we have the last package that we call the super package. On the super package, that means you've joined with $1,300, and so on this package you do get 22 boxes of STC30. But in those 22 boxes of STC30, remember that you're given an account system that is divided into 2, a left and a right. So here, when you refer a person, the company is going to give you $350 as your direct referral bonus. Again, when you refer also Ruth, the company is going to give you another $350 as your direct. So the content actually, as in the context, the concept is the same, but what differs is the figures are the ones that really differ. So that means on 2 people you've made $700 as your direct, because when you add up, or when you sum up 350 plus 350, that means on 2 people you've made $700 as your direct referral bonus. So here on this package, remember that you're supposed to get also what we call the double development bonus, or the matching bonus. So here on each pair that goes under your system, the company is going to be giving you $160 as $160 per pair. So $160 per pair, meaning that you're going to start making that money immediately on the 2 people that you brought. So when you add up 350 plus 350 plus the 160, that means on just 2 people you've made $860 just on 2 people, yet you invested $1,300 just on 2 people. You've made that amount. That means that you've brought 3/4 back in your pocket, and yet you've even healed more than 10 people. Because if you see the boxes of the 22 boxes of STC30, and again if you also use and also give other people, that means you've cured over 10 people. So you've got products, many people have been healed from different sicknesses, but again you're making a lot of money through it. So also the people whom you've brought, they're also going to bring 2. When they bring 2 for you, you're going to keep on matching $160 per pair, $160 per pair. On this package, your life is really going to become super. On this package, you're going to make a lot of money, and I believe that your life won't remain the same. Even if you're having another business, even if you're having a job that you say that is paying you much, I believe that when you join our company of Super Life, instead you will just keep on maxing out each and every single day. So your pairs will keep on going on and on. A day will come and you pair up 10 pairs. That's $1,600. Then also a day is going to come and you pair up 16 pairs. That's $16,000. So it's going to keep on going like that up to infinity. And then lastly, I would like to end up by this with this as a lazy scenario that we call the star package lazy scenario. let's say that it takes you a period of a month for you to bring 2 people, or it has taken you a period of a month for you to refer 2 people, and also even those ones whom you refer, it takes them a period of a month to bring or to refer 2 people. And let's also say that maybe you joined on a star package, and even those ones who join under your system, they are only stars. So when you refer 2 people in a period of a month, that means in the first month you would have referred 2 people, and that's 1 pair. 1 pair times $16, that's $16 already. Then also the 2 people they're going to bring to 2, those are 4. 4, those are 2 pairs. Then 2 pairs times $16, that's $32 in the second month. Then also the third month, they also those ones they're also going to bring to 2. The 8, the 4 they're going to bring to 2. If they bring to 2, those are 8. If 8, those are 4 pairs. Then 4 pairs times $16, that's how much? That's $64. So it's going to keep on increasing like that per month. But you will find that in a year you will have over 8,000 people, and those are over 4,000 pairs. If they are over 4,000 pairs, that means in a year you would have made $65,000 plus. $65,000 plus, but just for a laziest person. But how much did you invest? Just only and only $140. So it's all about making the right decision. Many people have changed a lot of their lives, as you can see some of the testimonies. People have bought luxury mansions, people have bought supercars, people have made a lot of money through this company of Superlife, and yet it is even still on its pioneering stage. So it's all about making the right decision. I already told you that Superlife may not be your dream, but again it can help you finance your dream. So as long as you see an opportunity that can help you finance your dream, that means you are supposed to take your time and see what the opportunity really is. So in case you have any question, or if in case you have any inquiry, you can inquire from that person who has connected you to this channel of mine. Or if not, let's say you've just landed on my channel just abruptly like that, then you can WhatsApp me on +256 705 464440. So that's for a person maybe you haven't been referred by a person for you to link up with me here on YouTube. So life is really very super, and I believe your life won't remain the same. Thank you so much for taking your time to listen at both the health and the wealth part, and I believe that you're going to make the right decision. Life is really super. If I can make it, then you can also make it too. Thank you so much. Life is super. Bye bye.